Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to use the import syntax in Node.js. It's quite simple and I've seen that many times we face the issue. First of all, I like to show the issue. The basically when we start writing a Node.js code, we are using a syntax of let express equal to express, request equal to request. This is the old syntax that we use, and if I run the application with this, it's absolutely fine. So I'll say node app.js. Now, when I run this application, it's a simple weather application. It's working perfect for us. Now, the requirement is to use the import syntax in this. Now, if I have to use the import syntax, first of all, I'll take both the syntax of the import there. Now, and I'll comment the require syntax. If I start using this, now let's see what happens. So when we run the code now, we get the error like import express from express cannot use import statement outside the module. There's a one fix called Babel. That's a long path. So I'm bringing you the very basic and very simple fix. Just add one particular object in here, say type colon module. Just one key and value type colon module. And as I'm using the basically static files also, so I have changed the path for that as well. So I'll add a path as well as the dir name. Now, if I try to run it now, the code is running. See, just in 2 minutes, we are able to fix the issue, which is a bigger issue with the import. And now with import syntax also, your code is working. Once again, just add one key value in the package.json. Thank you.